Well, hello there again. We got our rebuilt t221 transfer Rockwell rebuilt back in. I just burped the coolant system. Having some trouble. I've never messed with a wide band before, so trying to figure that out. It's, I don't know, it doesn't want to, it only reads 10 unless you give it some throttle. But it's just stuck at 10.00 or some, I don't know what it reads at. But we know we have a miss, so I need to get new plugs and plug wires for it. Let's see. Surprisingly, it's very quiet after I got the exhaust done. And she's smoking. I haven't messed with the air fuel mixture yet. There's plenty of air. Shoots in white smoke. This side not too much. I'm missing a rubber for that. Whatever. Yeah, I gotta figure out the air fuel mixture on that guy. I'll get a video probably tomorrow of it up. Get some better photos and picture or video of the install, what I did for exhaust just to make it work. Doesn't sound like I have any exhaust leaks so far, so there's that. I got to pull the bench seat out and pull the inspection plate out, and or actually I might not even have to do that. I might just have to pull the shift linkage off the Rockwell and trim it just a little bit because it smacks the exhaust at the moment. I'm not too happy about that, but I mean, I should have test fitted before welding it up. Dad told me to weld it. I'm just his fault. I got these mounted properly. I still need to come up with a linkage, order one. I'm using some clothes hanger for now. And I need to hook the oil pressure up, but it runs cool. That's all I can ask for now. Got to do a tune-up, change plug wires. Know for a fact the back one on the passenger side, the boot around where it plugs into the coil pack is split, and it might be jumping there. I don't have the proper tool to measure heat from the exhaust pipe, but I have a little handheld clicker. This side was like 500, 500, 500, and then like 300. And then the passenger side, it was running, I think, 200, 400, 400, almost 500 with the center ones. And then the rear was about 300. Maybe that could be why it's smoking. But tomorrow, like I said, I'm going to get a few more things done and put it up on the lift. Get the carburetor adjusted with an air gauge. Get vacuum air gauge. Go from there, I guess. I don't know when I'll go get some plugs and plug wires for it, and just spend a bunch of money on that transfer. It was like $850 to get that transfer case rebuilt. Well, more like a little more than that, because I spent $5 something on a bearing gasket and seal kit and shim kit for it, and that's why it wasn't too bad on the price on that. But we'll get her done. Appreciate you watching.